Hi everyone, today we will discuss a concept related to decision trees in machine learning, that is pruning. Pruning is a process that reduces the size of a decision tree by removing parts of the tree so that it do provide us with a significant improvement. That is, for example, we had a tree which went on like this with size m. Now we can observe that the lowermost section of the tree was contributing very less in the performance. That is, if we remove that part, even after removing that part, the particular decision tree was able to give as much good performance as the whole tree was giving. Now the question is, why do we remove this part? What is this causing? This is causing a time lapse. That is, for a larger tree, the larger time is required to evaluate the process. Therefore, we do pruning. Now, there are two types of pruning that we will discuss. That is pre-pruning and post-pruning. Pre-pruning is also called as early stopping. Now, before we study about them, we need to know why we need them. This pruning concept exists because of another concept of machine learning, that is overfitting. Now, before we study them, we'll see what is overfitting. Now, overfitting happens when a model memorizes its training data so that it will be able to learn the noise on top of signal. That is, if there is some noise present in the data, then it will believe that noise to be real data and memorize it as well. Now, this is what we call as overfitting. That is, if there was any noise present in the data, it will try to learn that noise as well. Whereas we would have liked that noise should not have been learned because that was the extra data which is wrong present in the raw data. There is another concept which is underfitting, but it's not needed now, so we will keep it for the other video and discuss it later. Now, we were talking about overfitting. The first question comes is, why are we even talking about overfitting? The reason is, the decision tree tried to correctly classify all the training samples given to us. And in this process, it leads to overfitting of the data. As we've already discussed in the previous video, a decision tree with all the features taken into consideration, it tries to give us an accuracy of 100% on a training data. That is, for each and every sample present in the training data, it will give us the correct result. Now, in this process, it learns all the training samples and hence results in overfitting. Now, once we know that it's highly possible to have overfitting, we use these pruning techniques to reduce the effect of overfitting. Now, we will discuss these techniques in detail in the next video. Here, our concept was basically to know what is pruning, why do we need pruning, and what is overfitting, and why are we discussing overfitting in terms of decision tree. Thank you for this video. If you have any questions, you can mention them in the comment section below.